What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to send your first shipment to Amazon FBA. In this video, I'll help you to get started with FBA and learn more about how to send your first FBA shipment. Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA is a great way to grow your business and reach more customers. With FBA, Amazon stores your inventory, ships your orders, and handles returns and customer service. Your FBA products also become eligible for shipping and Amazon Prime 2-day delivery. Now, first to register for FBA, you have to sign in to Amazon Seller Central. Then it will redirect you to the home page, and what you should do right now is to go to the top right corner and click on Settings. Then once you hover over Settings or click on it, you will have to choose Account Info. And in this page, you will have many options, and on the left bottom corner here you have your services. So you can simply click on Manage right here. After that, you will have to go down till you find here you can sign up for section. Then down below right here you will find this option, Fulfillment by Amazon. Then you can simply click on Register, and after that you will have to enroll in the FBA new selection program. Now let me just give you a small information about the benefits of the FBA new selection program. As I said before, it includes free monthly storage, removals, and return processing for all eligible new to FBA parent essence. Plus, sellers new to FBA can also get up to $200 for sponsored ads and a $100 discount on Amazon partnered carrier shipping. And if you want to enroll and learn more, you can simply search for FBA new selection in Seller Central search. And now it's time to convert your existing listings to FBA. And to get started, you have to go to the Amazon Seller Central homepage. Then you should go to the top left corner and click on these three horizontal lines right here. Then what you should do is to simply click on Inventory, and once you click on Inventory, choose FBA Inventory. And now you have to go on the top right here and click on Shipments, then choose Send to Amazon. Then now you will be able to send the listing products to Amazon. Now on the Send to Amazon page, you have to follow the steps in the workflow. The first step you have to do is to choose the inventory to send, and the second step is to pack individual units. The third step is to confirm shipping. Fourth is to print box labels. Fifth step is to confirm carrier and pallet information. The sixth step is to print pallet labels. And if you need more information on this workflow, you can search for Create Shipments with Send to Amazon in the Seller Central search bar. After your shipment is on its way to the fulfillment center, you can track its progress by going to the shipping section right here, then click on Manage Shipments. And this is actually how to send your first FBA shipment. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.